My name is Médélène Hafmén. I am originally from Germany, but 10 years ago I moved to Sydney, Australia. And last year in August, I started to cycle from Germany to Turkey, because when I was 26, I actually found out that I'm half Turkish. So it was a big surprise to get to know that he's actually Turkish. This journey took me 4.5 months. I also met the rest of my Turkish family, like my grandma, my aunts, my cousins, and I spent 7 weeks with my family in Turkey. We unfortunately also experienced the Turkey quake together, which then led to me staying longer. But afterwards, I had decided I cannot stop this amazing journey to myself, like I call it, now. So I continued my journey through the Middle East. I cycled through Jordan, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and about 10 days ago, I took the plane with my bicycle from Dubai to Karachi. My time in Saudi Arabia was really wonderful. Saudi Arabia has now a special place in my heart because of the people. The people are very hospitable. They always invited me, always passed me water on the street, stopped me to take selfies. And yes, I loved cycling through the vast landscapes of Saudi Arabia. I really love the vibrance of the city. Like, it's very kind of chaotic, but in a positive way. There's always something happening. Like, there's food and people everywhere, and I love to explore the different pockets of the cities. I like to try new food, so I had some local food like aloo paratha and halva puri. Had a lot of chai. Yeah, it's amazing to discover the culture. I did have biryani, but I have to disappoint you because I'm vegetarian.